Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say you see it. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in at the street. Hey big foot.
Yo, I'm me alone here when somebody come up to you and say, yo dog, me have something more to tell you. Guess what? What? Dog, guess what no? Bumble, if me did know how I would not ask you how.
Yo, hurry up now, Regine! Boy, them this. Regine, nobody will bow wall. It's a miserable, my youth. Jano Star. As you tell me, yo dog, hurry up!
Oh yeah, oh my, yeah. Love girl me have, but you me love the most, not lie. Oh my, my.
You too miserable in the night. You know, see if you look some girl do a aisle well them in your back full up. You see what I say? The man, the aisle well them in your back full up, dog. That's why you stay so much. You come like some fuck man, dog. What about pasta? Pasta bumbo, dog. All I man the dog. You know what time I send our friend to church, but man and the man that dead if he not pray for me, dog. All him more just want to catch him on it and kick him all in them blood stains. That's so. Evening, Pastor. You know, I'm going to pray a special prayer for you. And I'm going to pray that God lays his hand or a foot or a slippers or an electric card or a guava stick on you, my friend. I'm going to pray for you.
Welcome, Mr. Gunther. Your wife been telling me you've been acting pretty crazy recently. What's been going on?
Y'all think I'm crazy, you know. Catch her and read horoscope. What she do? Me tell her some of her past, her present, and her future. Just a church man. Yeah, I know say the other day me catch her. I pray silently. Me wanna know what she and Jesus got going on. Yeah. Thing. You know when the blood clot girl come to me and say the other day? Say she need contacts. Me say no. She say she need glasses. Me say no. We need better vision for. You see somebody else? Hey girl, I trust yo. Dog. You wanna know what hurt me to the core? Me see the girl I yarn the other day. Me say when the blood clot there is a dopey body you want something, girl, lock your mouth. I told you none.
I don't think you're crazy. You just need some help. Yeah.
Hello ladies, we don't care how big you get. If you can't roll your eye, don't roll it. Some man eyeball look like 2 blood clot left foot. See it? Bitch, I don't say you roll your eye. Roll that shit. Roll it like you mean it. So you roll your eye, bitch. So you roll it. Start from your left to your right and look up. Some man your eye look here. See it? Yeah? Nah, bitch. If you can't roll it, cut it. That's not hard to do. Just cut it and keep pushing. Cut it with the head shake too. Jesus Christ, everything me have to teach you know.
Neighbor, listen, okay, I have this evil co-worker, my guy, so I'm gonna need some of your Jamaican obia, okay? I'm gonna need you to turn her into some fucking fried dumpling. Wait, hold on, but I'll be a hole in your condom. I didn't know you had your daughter up here, my guy. Yes, listen, my guy, okay? You don't have to hide these things from me, okay? I know you Jamaicans start having kids from you're about 4 fucking years old, which is amazing to me, my guy, because at that age, your Buffalo Soldiers shouldn't even be marching. But look at you, big grown woman like her, and she's gorgeous. She's so adorable. Look at you. Just a couple more years and you'll be ready to go on your head top and throwing double sixes like Ludi, huh? And this must be her mom right here. Coming up. Yeah, the mother. Babe, listen, I see you have a new girl. She can't do you like I do you. I'm the best you've never had. Please, open up every time.
Strong body mumzel what you deal with.
Mumzel, you bum buckler, bad man, who you?
Bad man, who you? Am I for the car there?
Bad man, I'm telling you, I don't see a problem here.
Anyway, see me a car, anyway, see you a solution.
Yeah, girl, Mumzel, this one. Yeah, who the brother?
What the fuck I'm telling you? See, I call like 3 months later, I get just find us strawberry.
How that's supposed to mean?
Because at 3 months I come and fuck Mumzel and guess what? So that fuck them we can take you back cause my last day receipt.
Dirty man, I'm here, I'm sex.
No, Mumzel be in the fuck, but your big body man husband over there so feel like me fuck so never tell him want to hear. If I not trust you, I'll let you let him to eat that boy. See, I style himself.
That's true, yeah.
That idiot.
So blood class,
what the fuck is that you not playing background? A big song to you. Turn it off, man. Big waist, look, come from my phone.
Time yourself.
So make you that mix me around your foot. Yeah, style you said that your own a change. Nobody that style. Let's go.
Excuse me, room service.
Can you come back in a bit, please?
Okay, I'll come back then. Okay. Yo, room service. Excuse me, can you come back, please? Yo, big man, I don't have time for come up and up.
Can't you see we're busy?
About that, man. Do your thing. Me tidy up around, you know. Mate, just come back later. Listen, me not coming back. You see, by the time I do the whole of the floor, yeah, me done on the floor, yeah? Me I go upstairs. Me not coming back to this floor, yeah? I don't understand what your problem is, mate. I'm not coming out. You can't tidy the room now. You know what? Hold on. Me I'll get the mop, the broom, everything, and you tidy it yourself then, yeah? That me I go do. Think me have time for you on foolishness, you know? But come back. You know what? Me count the towel them as well, because I know someone love teeth towel in a hotel, you know.
Yo, you like that?
But of course, I like it. I'm with you. No, son, come like them, what's up? Look how my leg, what's up?
Yo, what me like when I'm going again?
Go on alone, me, give me a break. No, sir, give me a break. My clip tired. You gotta suck it out, because it's stretched out already.
I know I'm gonna
no, man, give me a break. Yeah, go on a batch, man.
Make sure you're ready when I come back, you know.
No, sir. My body can't cope. My body can't comprehend a wagwan. No, sir. I what no, man. Where the lie they come from, but Jamaican man not eat. You know what? I lie. Jamaican man, them really don't eat it. Them near me blood clot. Jesus, peace. Me can't walk. Oh gosh, man. Cool me leg, man. Me can't walk, people. Him near me swallowed. Jesus Christ. What?
Yo, Mr. Murray.
No, Prince, leave me alone. Prince, leave me alone.
And up, I'm ready.
Oh gosh. I'm ready again, people.
All I bad man them and all I hot girl them. You see when it's a GTW? Don't trip! Ghost ride the whip!
We can ghost ride the whip.